Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
Start by verifying Mac OS version and free space so you can access large backup files without interruption. Connect your iPhone with the original cable, unlock it, and tap Trust when prompted so your Mac can read backups. Then open Finder on Catalina or later, or iTunes on older Mac OS. Select your device in the sidebar. This reveals backup controls. You're starting the actual discovery step now, because locating the app that manages backups is essential before accessing the files. Once you've selected your device, choose Manage Backups in Finder or Preferences, right arrow Devices in iTunes, and click Show in Finder to jump straight to the stored backups. Make sure you know the folder path. ~library/application support/mobile sync/backup/ contains raw backup folders with long hexadecimal names. Now copy the specific backup folder to your desktop or external drive. This prevents accidental modification of the active backup. Make sure to preserve permissions when copying, because changing files can corrupt a backup. Now inspect the copied backup with a dedicated backup viewer. These tools translate long hex file names into readable data like messages, photos, and app documents so you can export what you need. Select the data type, then use the tool's export feature to save files in standard formats. This avoids manual, error-prone parsing. If the backup is encrypted, make sure you have the password. Without it, you can't decrypt the backup. If something fails, check permissions and try recopying the folder before retrying.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.